hit me system and me mind start fi soar. Me love fi watch ancient aliens and ponder within a store. Conspiracy theories about the pharaohs and space. Me a wonder if aliens built the human race. When me high as a kite, me love fi eat ripe mango and contemplate if time is real or just a mad tango. Me favorite thing fi do when me a float pan a cloud is fi listen to Bob Marley with the volume upload. Me love fi look at the stars and imagine other worlds. We aliens smoke ganja and have dreadlocks in our curls. When me smoke clear me brain, me love fi play some chess. Think about each move like it's a cosmic test. This a few of me favorite things. When me high as a kite and me mind grow wings. When the world looks strange, me simply remember me favorite things. And then me feel so fine, so fine, so fine, so fine. Ganja make me feel fine, so fine, so fine, so fine. Them shows about Bigfoot got me glued to the screen. Wonder if him coat stay clean and if him smoke the green. On the beach with a spliff watching the waves roll in. Me a think about Atlantis and where it might have been. When me blaze beyond belief, me love to cook some food. Mixing flavors like a scientist in a creative mood. Reading quantum physics with me third eye open wide. Questioning reality as me take this cosmic ride. When the night come round, me roll one final spliff. Taking the herb with one long satisfying whiff. Before me close me eyes and rest me weary head, me stroke me banana till it's time for bed. Watching ancient aliens till me eyes get red. These are a few of my favorite things. Eating all the munchies till me fully fed. These are a few of my favorite things. Playing video games with the colors so bright. These are a few of my favorite things. Smoking ganja, watching porn late in the night. These are a few of my favorite